I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but definitely check it out. I had put together this table, and now, oh boy, I gotta put this bad boy together for my new office setup. I'm gonna show you real quick what my office setup looked like before, and then we're gonna put this together and see how it goes to the new setup. And of course, check out the specs, check out how it looks. This Dell 34-inch curved monitor. I'm excited. Let's get into it. So we got ourselves a power cord here. Got the power cord right here. Definitely gonna need that. We got ourselves a USB-C cord here. This is what's gonna display my MacBook to the monitor, and it also is going to charge it from what I read. We got some paperwork here. Check that out later. We got the base, not the base, we got the stand from the base that I'm gonna say the stem that connects the base to the screen. Comes with a clip for cable management. We got one side of the back plates here for making sure that it looks clean in the back. We got the base here. This was gonna stand on the table. And for the main event, tell me, what do y'all do? Do y'all throw away boxes, or do y'all keep it for like a couple weeks, couple months? Make sure that whatever y'all bought is still good before you throw it away. Let me know. Handle with care. I need white gloves for this. Woo. What do you think? That is a screen. Check that out. Wow. Put that over to the side. All right, let's put this together. All right, so I got the monitor all hooked up. I got it powered on. I'm gonna plug it to my laptop using USB-C. That's how I'm gonna be running it, and it should come up automatically. Let's see here. Boom. And this is the sole purpose why I got it. As you can see, I got Safari over here. I got Google Chrome over here, and I still got a lot of real estate to work with, and still have this monitor here. So when I'm running my YouTube videos, I might have my camera over there. You can see the mics over here. I can, instead of, tabbing through different tabs and applications that I have running on the laptop, I can just have it all here and be able to just quickly move the mouse around. I'm gonna have a mouse over here, but just quickly move around and be able to see things and fire off my points relatively easy. So this is fantastic. I'm gonna flip the camera now and show you around it, run out some stats and specs, and that should really be it. All right, as you can see, the monitor is huge. It's a 34-inch. I'm not able to get everything in camera, but we're gonna do the best. So in the back here, there is a toggle, and it's right there. And you basically, that's all the button you have. And if I toggle through it, it brings up preset mode, brightness, contrast, volume, and that's another thing. This does have internal speakers, which is fantastic. If you don't have studio speakers, or you want a little bit more better volume, it's not like studio, like you can watch movies and get by, but it's not like the best. You have audio profile, You have input source if you want to do HDMI, USB-C, and you have preset mode. So this is I just got it on warm right now. This is the different preset modes. If we go back in there, you can go brightness and different things of that nature. So it's pretty legit. And audio profile is I just got it on standard right now. So that is the monitor really. Because it's so big, if you were to pull up a YouTube video and do it full screen, I'm just gonna pull up one of my YouTube videos. Let's see here. By the way, subscribe to my channel right here. I talk about cybersecurity stuff on there, so you can go ahead and subscribe. But if I were to put a video and watch it full screen, because it's so big, subscribe to this channel too so I can get enough money to pay for premium. But you can see how big it is that it gets these black bars on YouTube. But if you were to watch a movie on it, then you would not have those black bars. If you were to game on it, then you would not have those black bars. So that's one of the fantastic things about it. But for YouTube, you have those black bars, which I don't much mind. It's still a lot of real estate. It's great for the eyes. I'm gonna go 1080p, and the quality is fantastic. Great quality.